Seeking comfort? Look no further than Heritage Court, an exquisite haven in the heart of Liverpool, poised to captivate your senses. Take your pick from a splendid array of ensuites, each adorned with a cozy bed, ample wardrobe space, airy drawers, and a dedicated desk and chair to ensure your comfort during scholarly pursuits. But wait, there's more. This fully furnished apartment includes all bills, offering substantial savings. Rest easy with 24/7 maintenance and a secure house alarm. Laundry woes? Not here. Enjoy the convenience of an in-house washer, saving both time and money. Location-wise, the University of Liverpool and Liverpool International College are just a leisurely stroll away. Nearby, indulge in a plethora of dining delights at esteemed venues like the Italian Club and Maggie Mae's, or sip a soothing brew at Bold Street Coffee between classes. For late-night study sessions or social gatherings, unwind at popular student haunts like the Caledonia and the Brook House. Transportation is a breeze with bustling bus stops and efficient railway stations within easy reach. Don't delay. Visit amberstudent.com now and secure your dream accommodation at Heritage Court Liverpool today.